Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing how to earn a living during the coronavirus while stuck in isolation. There is no shying away from the fact that we are currently living in unprecedented times, with governments across the world instructing businesses to close their doors, forcing people out of their jobs, as well as being ordered into self-isolation, which will leave many people facing huge debts and many will go broke, some people losing their businesses and even their homes. This is not fear-mongering, it's an absolute fact. The world is facing a global recession and a financial meltdown, and things will not improve until such times as the virus has been beaten and vaccines are made available. Because of the unknown nature of the virus and the fact that vaccines can take many months to bring into the market, the dilemma facing the world is that this is too much of an unknown to be able to say when things will return to normal. However, people are adaptable and will search for opportunities to make a living, and the old adage invention is the mother of necessity springs to mind. People will reinvent themselves with new business opportunities, and where because they will mostly be in isolation, those opportunities can only arise online. Therefore, isn't it about time that you considered working in the Forex industry? Because no matter what happens, the money markets continue to operate even during crises such as we are faced with at the moment. The benefits of working in the Forex industry is that you can set up a business quickly with very little setup costs. Indeed, all you need is a decent computer and an internet connection, and then to choose a broker you can trade currencies with, whereby your initial outlay could be as little as $200 in order to start trading. Although ideally you would need to put up at least $1,000 in order to be able to realistically begin making a decent living. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world and is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and which anyone can participate. Even during the crisis, many institutions and professional traders, all the way down to retail traders, make money by using chart patterns they see on a computer screen. They do this to tell them when currencies, which are always traded in pairs, are too high or too low against their counterparts, and therefore may be ready to rise or fall. Traders simply bet on the rise and fall in currency pairs in order to make a profit. Effective tools can be implemented to minimize against losses. The Forex market is a global market and is not centralized, and therefore nobody owns it. Transaction costs are low, and here at Forex Academy, we have an abundance of educational material where you can learn all about trading the Forex market, and we can even show you how to open a risk-free demo account to practice what you learn with us before you risk your real money. The many articles, posts, and videos that have been written by professional financial traders who trade the markets even during these difficult times and want to share this success with you so that you can have an opportunity during these dark times to learn how to become a successful Forex trader. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.